Hello guys, welcome back to Redneck Teenager. Today on this video, sadly, we are done working on the Mountain Cat. Reason for that, took out the fuel pump and I was checking it. It's getting fuel to the motor, it's getting spark, it's got air. Something is on the line of gas not getting delivered to the engine. So I took the fuel pump out and I started cleaning it, and it actually looks pretty good. But the little spring that attaches to that little metal screw you're seeing right there, no, not that one. Where'd it go? This one here, that little guy, he popped out on me and I was standing right here and he went into snow. I can't find it. So that means I just wasted about $100 and now have to buy a new fuel pump. So we're not working on that today. However, we do have another snowmobile to work on, and that's the 95 580 Arctic Cat. So basically what's going on with it is it's getting fuel. Something's going on with spark because the left cylinder is not firing, but the right one is the only one keeping it running. So here is the right plug, if my phone focus. You can tell that one's been running. Like, it is not wet from anything. I mean, the sides are because it was in the hole, but the top of it's dry because it's been running off of it. This one, completely, here, I'll do this with my thumb so you guys can see, completely wet on the top. So it is not firing off of that. However, I have spare plugs. These are BR9 EYAs, I think. Those plugs in there are also bad. I should probably go around and change all of them out, but it'll be for a different time. Anyway, we're going to see now if it's got spark on both cylinders, because it's getting fuel. It's just not getting spark. So let me, here, let me just put you in a couple of rivets there. And a couple right there. Undo them because I can't hold them all by myself. Then we should now have spark. Okay, now let's turn this over. I'm just gonna set you guys right. Zoom out a little bit for you guys. So you guys are on the left plug right now. I think it has spark. But end of every pull it has it. So I don't know, because that's a new plug too. Something might be going on with the ignition coil. I think I got a spare one in there. We're out there. And I have one around here somewhere. Geese. Okay. So now you guys are going to be on the right plug. Keep an eye on that one for me. I think that one's the one with the best spark, I believe. it's still only firing on one cylinder. Okay guys, check this out. So oh dang it. But so I replaced that coil, right? And it starts now, okay? But the thing is, something's going on with the fuel. Because now, it runs. Okay, maybe not. Did run. But, let's see. Here. I'll have to hold that open with my keycap. Let's see if I give it any help. If it likes that or not. So it's definitely fuel related then. As soon as I had fuel, now it's just sitting there idling. So something's going on with the fuel delivery issue. Yeah, so something's definitely fuel related. Either it's not sucking it in, or something's going on with the floats that's not letting it down. Yeah, see that one seems like it's running, but this one on the other hand just seems like it's freaking it's got a little spark every time, and it's just freaking guzzling all that gas. But I honestly don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's probably a carburetor related issue or something. But the odd thing about it is I literally just cleaned the carbs like not even a week ago on this. And I haven't even ran it since. There's been no gas in the carbs. So I'm thinking maybe a fuel pump, or maybe a I don't know, like could be spark, but it's got spark if it's firing up. I mean, and you guys can hear it too. It sounds like it's running on one cylinder. Because I know what a snowmobile sounds like when it's running on both cylinders, and that's it's way louder than that. That sounds like my Yamaha engine when it's just sitting there idling. And that one's a one cylinder, so I mean that kind of says a lot, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Probably gonna be it for now, just trying to diagnose some stuff. 2 weeks till I'm off for break, and then after that there's a couple more projects that I gotta get done. In the meantime though, I'm probably just gonna work on this on my free time and get this one all put away. And then I don't know, that this chair does not like to spin. That the 800, I'm probably just gonna wheel it out for the rest of the winter and just let it sit. Because there's really not that much I else can do to it until I get that new fuel pump. So that guy's probably gonna sit out for the rest of the winter until summer, till I can actually work on it. Because right now it's just too cold and too much stuff to do with it to do in the cold right now. So that'll be that. Guess that generator I should probably get done. But that guy has his own problems. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Hope you have a good day. And as always, be safe. And yeah, hopefully over my next couple of days off, I can get this guy going again. Because when it was running fully, it was a freaking ripper. Like, it looks ugly, but it's just one of those sleds where it's like, because this sled was sitting for 20 years before I got it running. And one of I think my second, like, YouTube video on the channel was this guy. I mean, it's a YouTube short, it's not really revival. Because when I started this channel was right after I got this running, which I really should have videotaped, but I didn't, which, yeah, kind of screwed me, but yeah. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm gonna keep working on this, try and get it running fully, get all the problems worked out of it, and yeah, that's basically it. Like I said earlier, be safe, have a good day, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Well, guys, got her cleaned out. I thought that was the end of the video, but she just got cleaned out. Now she's island and running like freaking hot.